Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the JavaScript fetch API to get and post data. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Let's create a new file, index.html, okay, and the next file, script.js, okay. Let's run the JavaScript file from HTML file, script source is script.js, and run the project in browser. Page has been loaded, then open More Tools, Developer Tools, open Console, and in the console we will see the data that we get from the server. Go to script.js, let's get data using fetch function, and we need to add the URL from where we will receive data. Open the regress.in website, scroll down, and here we can use fake data to check the fetch method. I use list resource, choose it, and then click on this link. Then copy this web address, return to Visual Studio Code, and paste it here. Now let's display the received data in the console. Then data to console.log data. Okay, open index.html file. We have the error here. Replace src. Okay, and let's restart the page. Open inspect with right click, then go to console, and we have response. But if we click on body, we haven't data here because in script.js we need to convert resource to JSON.json. Okay, let's refresh the page. I have there because I forgot to add brackets here. Refresh once more, and we have data. Congratulations, we made get request using fetch API. And now let's post any data to our server. To do this, we need to add the second parameter to our fetch function. First, we need to specify the method. What are we going to do? Method colon post. Okay, post with quotes. Next, we need to specify the content type, headers, content type, headers, and content type is application/JSON. Next, we need to post data with body JSON.stringify. Next, let's set ID and the name of color. We have a total of 12 values with ID from 1 to 12. Let's continue in order. The new ID will be 13 and name will be, for example, muddy murky color. Why not? Let's move the closing brace to the end. Okay, refresh the page, and we have added the new color to the cloud database. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you next time.